Can you really use 6 mm of Shinestar fiberglass rebar instead of 8 mm of TMT rebar? Sounds wrong, right? It's not. Let's have a look at the engineering. Most people think that the rebar is used for holding the load in concrete, but that's not always the case. For nominal reinforcement, the role of the rebar is just to control temperature and shrinkage related cracking in the concrete. Load does not play a role there. So what are the applications when nominal reinforcement is used? This includes your grade slabs, industrial flooring, RCC roads, pavements, deck sheet reinforcement, and non-load bearing wall slab. As the tensile strength of 6 mm of Shinestar fiberglass rebar is more than the tensile strength of 8 mm TMT bar, it can very easily handle and control the temperature and shrinkage related cracking that might occur in concrete, giving better performance at a much lower price. Using 6 mm of Shinestar fiberglass rebar in such areas can actually provide you with three massive advantages. Firstly, it is reducing your cost by over 40 to 50% compared to 8 mm and steel TMT bars, leading to massive budget savings for your project. Secondly, it is completely corrosion proof, meaning that you will remove the risk of any rust related cracking happening in the concrete forever. And thirdly, because it is so lightweight, it reduces your overall dead load of the building by almost 1/8 compared to your steel TMT bar, leading to much more durable and long lasting structures. This is not just me speaking. This has been validated worldwide, including in the US and Canada for over 20 years. It has been validated by the ACI 440 code that mandates the design guidelines for fiberglass rebar. And even in India, stalwarts of structural engineering, including Dr. LSJ Gopal, who has over 50 years of structural engineering experience and holds a world record, has actually utilized this same exact concept to save over 7 lakhs for his own clients in industrial flooring project. Not just that, you actually reduce your carbon emissions per meter by over 78% and also reduce your transport and installation related costs because of the lightweight nature of the product. So what are you waiting for? Choose Shinestar fiberglass rebars today.